friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw a Pusheen Gingerbread house, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So let's get started with the wreath right in the center. And we're going to start with a circle in the middle. Let's move up for the bow up above. So we're going to draw in a smaller circle directly above this. On the left-hand side, we're going to bring this line around, back in, curving that through. And then we're going to do the same on the right. Now we're going to draw in the wreath. So on the top, we're going to curve this line from left to right. And then we're going to arch this line in on the left and right hand side. From that corner again, replicating that as we move down. We're going to, on a slight diagonal now, curve that in. And then we're going to do the same as we move down on a diagonal towards the center. And then again, closing that off on the bottom with another curved line. We're going to come around this now and replicate those shapes. So, curved line. Bringing that around and then down on both sides. Again, on the left hand, right hand side. Let's move down. And then we're just going to continue to keep coming all the way around this. Now let's move up. We're going to leave a gap and we're going to draw in the top of the house. So on the center here, we're going to bring this line down on the left-hand side. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right, drawing that at the exact same size. Now let's round out that edge. So we're going to curve this around and in. Let's start back on this line and we're going to bring this up on a diagonal, curving that in towards the center. And then again, we're going to start back on this line, rounding out the top, bringing this down on a diagonal towards the right. We're going to draw in a circle right in the center. We're going to come down on a diagonal and on both sides, drawing in another circle beside that. Let's move down again, replicating that. And then again, one more time. Let's draw on the chimney on the top left-hand side. So we're just going to continue to curve these lines in like this as we come up towards the top. We're going to draw in a curved line right in the center. We're going to do one on the edge again here. And then we're just going to continue this as we come down towards the top of the house. Now let's draw in some circles. On the top left and right hand side, we're going to draw in a small circle. Let's move down underneath this again, replicating that. And then again, one more time as we move underneath. Now coming underneath, again in the center, we're going to draw in another diagonal line coming down on the left. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right. Now on the edge, we're going to curve this around and up towards the top of the roof. Let's close off the side of the house now. So we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down on the left and right hand side. then we're going to draw in just two little sweets here. So we're going to come down on the left and we're going to curve this up, connecting that together, bringing that back down on the right. And we're going to do the same thing on the left-hand side as well. Let's close off the bottom of this now. So we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. And now let's flatten off the bottom of the house. So we're just going to draw in a straight line from left to right. Let's come in and add some details now. So on the top, we're going to draw in a straight line in the middle of the wreath. And then we're going to come down again, replicating that one more time. Now let's draw in the door. So coming down on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a nice big arch line, arching this around, down on the right-hand side. Stepping in, we're going to replicate that pattern again. So curving this up, around, and down again. Now we're going to draw in some curved lines on a diagonal as we come all the way around this. And we're just going to leave an even amount of space as we do this. Now let's come across right in the middle. We're going to draw on the door handle. So we're going to draw in a circle. Let's move up. We're going to draw in a flat line across. We're going to arch this around and down on the right. Let's do the same thing in the middle. So replicating that pattern, straight line, and then arching this around and down on the side. Let's draw a square on the bottom. So we're going to start with our two straight lines on the top and bottom. And then we're going to replicate that on the left and right hand side. Let's do the same thing in the middle now. Let's draw in a flat line on the bottom. So we're going to draw in a straight line on the left and right hand side. And now let's draw in our windows. So we're going to start on the left-hand side here, and we're going to draw in a straight line directly across. We're going to line that up at the same height on the right-hand side and replicate that. We're going to round out the edges, so curving that in on both sides. And then again, we're just going to flatten that out on the bottom. Let's move up towards the top. We're going to replicate that. So another straight line on the bottom here. We're going to round out the edges. And then again, just flattening that out on the top. Now from here, let's draw in some diagonal lines as we come across, and we're just going to leave an even amount of space as we do that. And then we're going to do the same thing on the left-hand side as well. Now let's draw a straight line that comes down on the left and right-hand side. We're going to do the same thing on our right window too. And then moving in towards the middle, let's replicate that again. Now that we have our windows, let's draw a pusheen in the corner here. So we're going to draw in the ear, curving this up and down. We're going to bring this line across on a diagonal. And then again, we're going to curve this up and back down on the right. In the center for the mouth, we're going to curve this line out on the left and right hand side. And then we're going to draw in a small circle for the eyes on the left and right hand side. Let's draw on the whiskers. So we're going to draw in 2 diagonal lines coming out on the left and right hand side, tucking those in behind the window. And then we're going to draw in the small details here. So we're going to draw in 3 thin arch lines as we come across on the side. Now on the right window, we're going to draw on the Christmas tree. So on the top here, let's draw a diagonal line coming out on both sides. Let's bring this line coming in. Again, we're going to draw another diagonal line coming out on both sides. And then bringing this line in towards the middle. And then again, one more time, diagonal line coming out towards the bottom. Now from here on the top, we're going to draw in the ornament. So we're just going to scatter some circles. So we're going to draw one on the top, coming down on a diagonal, replicating that. We're going to move in, replicating that on the left. And then again, coming down on a diagonal once more. And then we're just going to draw in a small arch line on the left and right hand side for those ornaments tucked underneath the window. And that is it. That's how you draw a Pusheen gingerbread house. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.